Christmas Eve, 1 tree, for more focus, 2 trees, presents, and Cam, what are you doing?
I am writing about what I like Christmas 2019 to look like.
Why is that?
Why is that? Because I have a lovely box that I've received. We both received, and we're in our jammies, and we've got some clothes. I've got a little beer here, and we've got some goodies.
Yeah, we've got some naughty snacks.
And we've got something in the oven, and we've got some beautiful cider. And I've got a few little questions that I need to answer. It's going to be that little tradition going forward.
Sounds nice.
It is, and I've got little Russ here with me.
He wants some of the chippies, doesn't he?
He likes chippies, yes. And he didn't have breakfast this morning, I've decided.
Oh dear.
Yes.
And there's some nice big presents over there. I can see a big one for you and a big one for me. And I'm going to be very sad when I have to take all my decorations down again.
Oh, look at that.
Go!
Christmas time. You know, there's some puppies. All month of Christmas is the other puppies.
Hey, no, you can't have that one. You've got your own. Sorry. What's this one? Now he's ripped the whole bag open, he's got the treats out. Boxing Day night down at Dromana. Nice healthy dinner. Chicken. Nice, what have you seen? This is the Grasshopper. She's our new little puppy. We've had her 5 days now. Oh, such a hard life. Look how big her ears are.